We just made a Nerf gun video about my dad and me having a Nerf war, but now we have 2 more things to make a video at. And this is our second thing that we're gonna open. So let's go ahead and open it.
You know what it is?
No. Oh yeah, I do.
What is it?
It's a
Why don't we open it up by the box? By the end.
Oh.
What is it?
It's a campfire thing.
A campfire thing?
Yeah, you put it down. There's like a little stick and another stick, and then you rub it together, and it makes a fire. Okay, here we go.
I think there's more in there.
Yeah, I think there's more. Let me see.
Well, I know there is.
Oh. And there's the rubber thingy.
I think it's called a fireboard.
Yeah, it's a fireboard.
Or a hearth board, depending. So, hey, this is a pretty cool little thing. When I was a Boy Scout, I always wanted to try fire by friction, rubbing 2 sticks together, right? Did you know that?
No.
I never got around to it. But I got this the other day and thought it would be cool to show you, right? Now that you're getting into the Boy Scouts.
Yep.
So, this is a fireboard. It's got little holes. See the holes? And then you have a spindle. And you have a bow. And it's got string on there. Okay? Well, this is a little bearing. What you do, you put it in here. And then you go back and forth. Back and forth. Really, really fast.
Oh,
and what happens is...
And then you put 2 rocks down and then, boom, it makes a fire.
Yeah. This right here is jute, which is what they make twine out of.
Can I feel it?
Yes.
Whoa, it feels just like Ugly's hair.
Well, it does. Right? Woo. So you put this here, right? You break off a little bit, and you put it right there. And when you rub your hands together, you know how it gets hot? Well, it's going to get hot. And then some of this is going to turn into a little powder, like a little coal. It's going to light this on fire.
Can we do that?
Not inside. Not inside.
It could burn our house down.
This, it was like 1580, right? Not very much. And it all comes already pre-assembled. And a lot of the fire bows, you have to have a bearing block that you hold on here. But this is, it's got a bushing, and you just hold on to it, right? Can you...
Yeah, I can scrub it really fast.
I'll hold on the top. All the way. Just like that.
Ow.
And that's about all we're going to do because we don't want a lot of... Oh, you got it?
Yeah.
You do it again.
Okay.
Do it more in the middle.
Yeah, it's getting hot. I can tell.
You don't know it's getting hot?
I bet it's getting spiked up a little.
Here.
Ow.
No, all the way, all the way.
Yeah, I think that's about enough. Is it hot?
Do you feel it warm?
Yeah, and it's not warm.
Alright.
Yes, it's warm. It's really warm. I'm going to go let Mom feel.
You gotta let go Mom feel. Well, we'll go outside a little bit and try it, see if we can light fire. Alright.
Alright.
Put it all back in the box.
Thanks for watching. Comment below if it's nice. Hi guys, today me and my dad are gonna be making a fire, and we just got done paddling.
Canoeing?
Yeah, canoeing.
Canoeing?
Yeah.
Did you like canoeing?
Kind of.
Kind of?
I didn't like paddling.
You didn't paddle much.
But now it's the best day ever. We're gonna make a fire right here. So I'm gonna sit down and watch it make the fire.
It was hot.
What is? The thing? Yeah, this is hot. Yeah, that's hot. Yeah, it's hot. I felt it. I'm just gonna eat this little limb. Hey Dad, I got an idea. We can burn this. We can burn this piece of wood when we're done making a fire. I'm having fun carrying it. Just a little teeny. I'm gonna make my own fire. Okay.
There it goes.
I'm making my own fire.
Well, I'm not left-handed, that's for sure.
Hey guys, look what I'm gonna make.
Oh, yeah.
I could have kept that stick. I know what to do. There we go. Break this one off. Break it in half. I'm making one too, Mama.
Awesome.
Is it making a fire right here? Yeah, it's making a fire.
Oh, it's getting smoky.
Oh, it's faster. Faster. Make smoke.
It's really smoking.
Yeah, mine too.
There
Mike?
it goes.
Yeah, it's making
There
a
it
fire.
goes.
It's making a
Starting.
fire. It's making a fire.
Uh-huh.
Hey, can you see like the red stuff?
Yeah, put it down lower, Dad.
Yeah, it's making a fire.
Hey, William,
Hi, Dad.
what'd we do today?
We lighted a fire and we went canoeing.
We went canoeing?
Yeah.
Did you like canoeing?
Yeah.
Did you like getting thrown in the water?
No,
No. Did we really light a fire or did we try?
we tried. We rubbed
What'd
the
we,
stick together.
what'd we do?
We rubbed the sticks together, but it didn't work.
It didn't work.
Yeah.
Did we make a lot of smoke?
Yeah.
Did we make coals? Look like red stuff that when we blew on, it got hot?
Yeah. It kind of looks like redstone in Minecraft.
Yeah, like redstone in Minecraft. We made a lot of coals. We made embers.
Yeah.
But we just couldn't get, I had too much jute, I think. We just couldn't get the embers to light into actual fire. And rather than keep doing it, Daddy's arms are tired, right, from canoeing.
Yeah.
So we're going to say it worked,
Yeah.
or it would work.
Yeah.
Just Daddy couldn't make it work today. Are we going to practice that more?
Yeah.
Is that something you would like to show Boy Scouts that you could do?
Yeah.
You could be the only Cub Scout that lights a fire in your troop by sticks. What do you think?
Awesome.
Awesome.